If you have been thinking about building a house in the mountains, this lot is the one. 1.66 acres with breathtaking views in a beautiful gated community. Well-maintained roads, community sitting in fire pit areas, with its own personal characteristics throughout. Everything ready for you to start the home of your dreams. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of land at the top of your very own mountain ridge. You can see for miles. Call for an appointment to drive up and see this one-of-a-kind lot. It's just waiting for you to build.